fast 10 pips Forex scalping trading system. Fast 10 pips Forex scalping trading system. I'm on a 15-minute chart of the Euro Japanese yen, and we want to discuss fast 10 pips Forex scalping trading system. All right. This is a free scalping trading system that we want to share with traders, and the objective of this free scalping trading system is to get maximum 10 pips out of each trade. Maximum 10 pips out of each trade, like high frequency traders. All right. The technical indicators that we want to use are the Bollinger Band 20 volatility 2, Bollinger Band 20 volatility 2. We want to use the moving average, the exponential moving average 8, and the exponential moving average 20. So for this free scalping 10 pip Forex scalping trading system, we are using only a free technical indicator, the Bollinger Band 20 volatility 2, the moving average, the exponential moving average 8 and 20. As you can see on my chart, the exponential moving average 8 is the blue line on my chart, and the green line, the moving average, the exponential moving average 20. You can also see on my chart the Bollinger Band 20 volatility 2. I'm going to change a bit the color of my Bollinger Band so you can see clearly on my chart. You can see that everything is now in place, the three technical indicators, and I want to show you how you use this free Forex scalping trading method, and you want to remember that it's only to catch maximum 10 pips. You may get more than that, but the idea is to have a limit of 10 pips. You get your 10 pip, get out, okay? You get your 10 pip, get out, okay? That's what we want to do. And as an active scalper, all right? So you want to understand how the scalpers are trading. They are looking for quick and fast profit in the financial market, and they are trading on a lower time frame. But for this free scalping trading method, I'm going to be a little bit different from other scalpers. I want you to scalp trade on a 50-minute time frame. Can you do that? Okay. And I will show you how you're going to do it. You're going to scalp on a 50-minute time frame because there are traders scalping on a 50-minute time frame using the stochastic, the RSI, and I want you to use the 50-minute time frame, all right? So stay with us as I'm showing you this. So what are we looking for? The signal are very simple. We want a moving average 8. When the moving average 8 is above the moving average 20, all right? We want the price to pull back near the moving average, the lower part of the Bollinger Band 20. So when the moving average 8, the exponential moving average 8 is above the exponential moving average 20, but the price for one reason, okay, pull back near the lower part of the lower bound of the Bollinger Band 20, volatility 2, that's a bullish, okay, scalping setup. Here it is, you can see here on the 50-minute time frame, the price pull back near, okay, the lower part of the Bollinger Band 20, at the time when the moving average 20 is still above the moving average 8 is still above the moving average 20. This is a bullish scalping opportunity here to catch 10 pips. We have the same scenario. What I want you to do, if your charting software allow you to do that, try to make your moving average 20 a bit thicker, okay, down the moving average 8. The idea is that to make it difficult for the moving average 8 to cross the thicker, okay, moving average 20. You see how I did it here? So I don't want to see quickly crossing it. I want my moving average 8 to be a little bit thicker, all right? Am I making sense to you? You see the size of my moving average 20 is bigger than the size of my moving average 8. That's the way I want you to do it. So it can make it real difficult so you don't think that it already crossed it, while it's still above. You can see here, if they had the same size, you may think that it already crossed it. That's why we want the 8 to be the moving average. We want the moving average 20 to be a little bit thicker the moving average 8 on our chart, all right, with the TC2000 that I'm using here, all right. I'm using the gold version of the TC2000, and they allow me to do that very simple. All you have to do, you go to you click here, and then you click edit, and then you go to the line width. Okay, here if you click on the line width, you select the thicker side. I can make it thicker, but I prefer this one here. All right, here it is, and then I leave my moving average 8 normal side, so before I can see that he already crossed it. If I see below the thicker line, I know that definitely he crossed it now. All right, but if I can't see it that he crossed it, I know that it's still above it. That's what I want you to do. So for this bullish signal, we want here you can see that the 8 is clearly above the 20. Yes or no? But the price, for one reason, try to come to touch the lower part of the Bolivia band 20 on the 15-minute time frame. So for traders that are a bit concerned about the 15-minute time frame as a scalper, so if you see on the 15-minute time frame, you see is quite close, okay, to the lower part of the Bollinger Band on the 50-minute time frame. If you don't want to enter the trade on the 50-minute time frame, you can go directly. So if it's happening here like this, you can go to the 1-minute time frame. I'll prefer 2-minute time frame, all right, but some scalpers will prefer 1-minute time frame. But myself, if I'm doing this, I don't want to enter on the 50-minute time frame, I'll go to the 2-minute time frame to enter the trade, all right. I don't like the 1-minute time frame, I like the 2-minute time frame, all right. So that's what I'm saying to you, that so moving average 8 is above the moving average, exponential moving average 20 on the 50-minute time frame. Try to touch the lower part of the Bollinger Band 20 volatility 2. This is a bullish scalping opportunity to catch very fast 10 pip out of the Forex market. Though we are talking about Forex or FS, we can apply this for stock that are moving fast. So if you are a scalper, be careful while you are trading, all right? Do not trade financial instruments that are not moving fast. So this will be suitable for those who are trading silver, gold, all right? Financial instruments that are going quite fast, indices, all right? So you want to trade financial instruments that are moving fast, because some stocks, I wonder how some traders can trade those stocks, talking about scalping and day trading, depending on what they are looking for. Some traders, some scalpers are looking for 3 pips, 5 pips. That suit them. For me, scalping minimum 10 pips out of it and get out. Or sometimes you may get more, which is good. All right. So here it is. You see here, it's a bow. Okay. And now it tried to touch it here. It's a bullish trade here. Boom, boom, boom. It ran fast. Here it is again. You can see that the 8 did not cross. That's why I want you to make sure that the moving average 20 is a little bit thicker to make it difficult for the 8 to cross it. So use the similar side like this one. Don't make it too thick though. If you make it too thick, that will be wrong. All right. Use this size is good. So as you can see here, we can't see the 8 below it, but you can see that here it is. The price came to touch the lower part of the Bollinger Band. This constitutes another bullish setup. Boom, 10 pip out of this trade. Does it make sense? All right. The sell signal also is very simple. We are looking for the moving average. Do I have one here? Yeah, you can see here the moving average 8 is below the moving average 20. If the price comes quite close to the upper side of the Bollinger Band 20 volatility 2, that will constitute, okay, right here, constitute, okay, a sell scalping, setup here. Okay, here it is, okay. The 8 is below the 20, and the price came quite close, okay, to the upper side. That's a sell, boom, down. All right. If you don't want to enter the trade on it, if you don't want to use the 50, if you see like you don't want to enter on the 50-minute time frame, just go to the 2-minute time frame, all right, and then take it from there, and it should be all right. Okay. Now, as always, when it comes to trading system, all right. The experience of the trader count, all right? So if you are a new trader watching this video, all right, you say, oh, Joe, this is good, this is for me, be careful, okay? Because the experience count in trading, and there are many factors that will make sure that you have, okay, your profits, okay? Because you need to pay attention to other things, but I will not make it a long video. I want to keep it very short, very simple, and very fast. We are looking for 10 tips. One more thing I need to clarify with traders: those signals will usually take place when you see that the Bollinger Band is squeezed. So during low volatility period, you have to understand that the professional scalpers, they do not scalp during a high volatility period because the risk is high. If it's volatile, the chance that you see whipsaw, that you are no whipsaw, that you are taken out of your scalping trade, all right, the risk is quite high if the market is volatile. So the scalpers, some scalpers are careful about, they don't like volatility. But if you are a scalper, that is someone who is scalper between a scalper and a day trader, that trading style, that will suit you the volatility, all right? But now, there is a group of scalpers that like the low volatility period. This will suit them very well because you will see that the Bollinger Band will be squeezed. And as you can see that the 8 was below the 20, okay, see here. The prime went near the upper side. You can see that you are trying to catch a few. You see here, you are just looking for a fast 10 pips. Come near, boom, down, take your 10 pip maximum. All right, you can take less than that, but maximum 10 pip out, like high frequency traders. All right, all right. So try it first, okay, and see whether it suits your trading style. Sometimes they may say that, oh, this is a useless trading system. What they meant is that this does not suit my trading style. But another trader may say this is a great trading system because it suits the trading style. So typical scalpers that are looking for 10 pips, okay, during a low volatility period will be quite happy with this system, all right? It's based on a market principle. When the 8 is below the 20 is indicating to us that the short-term trend is bearish. All right. So if the short-term trend is bearish, the price should be below 20. But now, if the price goes above 20 and touches the upper side of the Bollinger Band 20, that's a sell. You can see here also, again, it's based on the here. You can see that. That's why I want you to make sure that the 20 is thicker than the 8. So you can see that we can't see the 8 crossing the 20 here. All right. That's what we want. But you can see that the price is quite close to the upper side of the Bollinger Band. Boom, they sold it down. Okay, that's what we want to do. All right, that's what we want to do. Okay, here again you can see that the 8 did not cross it properly. Price went to the upper side. Boom, they bring it down. Okay, so work on it. First thing, use a demo account. All right, practice if you are a typical scalper, because sometimes traders are typical swing trader, typical day traders. Some of the traders are typical scalpers. This method is for pure scalpers, traders that love to scalp. Okay, they like to play on a 1 minute, on a 3 minute, on a 5 minute. Though we are using this on a 15-minute time frame, which I recommend to trade. Use the 15-minute time frame if you are using this method. That's my recommendation to trade 15-minute time frame. You can go on 1 minute or 2 minutes to enter the trade, but the setup, as I'm showing you here, should be on the 15-minute time frame, so you may get your 10 pips very fast. Though this strategy may be valid on other time frame, even you may see this on daily chart sometime when the 8 is clearly below the 20, but the price will go and touch the upper side of Bollinger Band 20. That's a pure sell trading setup. All right, okay. So work on it and see, okay, whether it's suitable to you or not, and build on it and use it for free. All right. This is about fast 10 pips, okay, Forex Scalping trading system. One more thing, use it only for financial instruments that are moving. So if you apply it to stocks or financial instruments that are illiquid, that do not move, it's not going to make any sense at all. You want to use it for financial instruments that are rushing, all right, Apple stock, gold, silver, indices, currencies, that will be suitable. Don't use it for stock that no one is trading, scalping. The price should be moving, should be liquid, and to control the risk, we want low volatility period. When the Bollinger Band 20 is a little bit squeezed like this, is very good to catch those moves, 10 pip up, 10 pip up. And I can assure you that professional traders that are typical scalpers spend their time when the market is almost, you will notice that when London is closed, this is the time where those scalpers will come in, and they are transacting millions of dollars scalping on the lower time frame. Now, it's no more real people that are scalping. We have now what we call high frequency trading machine, high frequency trading software, high frequency algorithm that are scalping on the lower time frame big time. So if you are a software developer and you want to look at this trading method and make it a software, it's up to you. But the most important is to understand what you are doing so you do not thought at the market. Okay, we are the TSTW24 traders talking about fast 10 pips Forex scalping trading system. Happy trading to you all and speak to you soon.